Your phone is not supposed to die halfway through the day, freeze when you open apps, or throw random pop-ups at you. But it happens to millions of people every single day. In today's quick guide, I'll show you 2 fast fixes you can do right now. And if your problem isn't battery or slow performance, the free phone rescue guide in the description covers all the big issues. Things like storage constantly full, overheating, random restarts, apps crashing, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth glitches, and even hidden malware. If any of those sound familiar, stick around. I'll show you where to get the full set of solutions. I'm Ken with CyberShieldTV, and I help you protect your tech and your privacy. Let's dive in. One of the fastest drains on your phone's battery happens when it's constantly searching for a Wi-Fi signal. If you're out, at a concert, movie, or traveling, turn Wi-Fi off completely in your settings. And if you need to save power for later, like calling an Uber, switch to airplane mode until you need it. That single move can give you hours of extra standby time. You'll find even more hidden battery-saving settings in the rescue guide. If your phone feels like it's moving through quicksand, the problem might be how many apps are running in the background. Try doing an app inventory. Go through your installed apps and remove anything you haven't used in months, especially heavy social media or gaming apps. It frees up storage and cuts down background processes so your phone can breathe again. But if slowdowns come with overheating, weird pop-ups, or apps you don't remember installing, that's a red flag. When you see 2 or more of these at the same time, it could be malware. The rescue guide includes step-by-step checks and the tools I use to keep my phone clean: Malwarebytes, Bitdefender, and Aura. So issues like this don't sneak back in. Download the free phone rescue guide from the link below. It has every fix we talked about today, plus more advanced settings, and my trusted tool list for both iPhone and Android.